head in the clouds and your pockets filled with dreams, bound for glory on the seven seas of life. But the ocean is deeper than it seems. The wind was with you when you left on the morning tide. You set your sails for an island in the sun. But on the horizon there are dark clouds up ahead, and the storm has just begun. So take me with you, take me far away, lead me to the distant shore, and sail your ship across the water. Spread your wings across the sky, and take the time to see you're the one who holds the key. The sailing ships will pass you by. You cry for mercy when you think you lost your way. You drift along when all your hope is gone. But take the time and you will see that you control your destiny. After all is said and done, so take me with you, take me far away, lead me to the distant shore, and sail your ship across the water, and spread your wings across the sky, and take the time to see you're the one who holds the key. The sailing ships will pass, sailing ships will pass you, sailing ships will pass you by.